Hello, welcome once again. Today we're going to do this splitting data stocked in one column. Now we're going to split this data here, the stock in one column into their first name and last name. Mind you, this Nancy, Smith at contoso.com. Nancy is the first name and Smith is the second name. So we're going to use flash fill to split. Now, what as we go? So the first thing you do here is for you to type Nancy. Type Nancy, then you go to your home, then you come to your field, then you roll that to what? Now, what we have done now, we've succeeded in bringing out their first name. Imagine you have 100 names like this. You shouldn't be typing in one. You understand? Now, let's go to the last name. You type Smith, then you take the same step, go to home, you come to fill, then you flash fill. Imagine also that we want to get the company Contoso out of this. Also, you type Contoso. Now it's going to give us the name associated with those ones also. Then you come to home, fill, flash fill. Okay, let's say we want to get the com. Make sure your cursor is here. Then home, fill, flash fill. Now put automatically it recognizes that it's an email. Let's put company here. Now you see it. Instead of typing 1111. Now we're going to make use of this here. Instead of doing this column, it might take much of your time. Then what you do here, let us do away with this. Let's take another step. Now we have all this here. All you need here for you to fill all this thing here is just what? Your Control E. Control E is the shortcut for flash fill. What you do here is Control E, name is there, you move to the next one, Control E, you move to the next one, Control E, you move to the next one, Control E, and you have everything very fast. That makes things fast. Now, you might ask, what if you want to do all these things at once? Must you be doing them column by column, column by column? No. There is a way we can do all this at once. So that will take us to our next assignment here. Now, if you watch this, we have Nancy Smith Contoso Limited. Now, we want to split this into their first name, last name, and their company names. But we want to do it at once. Imagine you are having much data to do. You should not be doing it column by column. What you do here, you highlight this data. Then you come to your text to column. That is what we're going to use to do this. Text to column to fill it. Text to column. Now make sure you're delimited, not fixed. Wait. Delimited. Then you come to next. Then what is area here? Is comma. It's been separated by comma, right? Then you come here, you click just comma. And once you show you how it has breaking it into column. Then you say next. Once you say next, you make sure you general. And here in this destination. Now, if I should go ahead with this will be replaced. But I don't want to replace here. But let me show you what I mean that with this, that this place will be replaced. Now, let's say finish. Don't worry, just say okay. Now you find out that we have succeeded in splitting it. But data we have here did not remain. We did not retain it. We used the column and split it, but we succeeded in splitting it. But this is not what I want. It might be what you want, you do it like this, but this is not what I want. Then let's go back. Next to column, meter next. The comma is still. Next here now. Can I zoom it out so that you see? I believe you are seeing this. So I believe you are seeing this. Now here we have C. Here we have $C $D 31, right? This C here is this C, but I don't want it to start from here. I want it to start from D. You can start your own from E, F, but I want mine to start from E so that I can still retain this data here. Now what I'll do is that I will change this C here to D. And once I do that, I will come here and say finish. Say okay. See what I mean? Now we'll have every detail here. Nancy Smith Contoso Limited. Nancy Smith Contoso Limited. Without typing anything, we'll have it split. Imagine you have more of data that you want to do like this. You can't keep on typing. Let's take another area. This is here in between them we have what? Space. Why here we have comma that separated them. Now take note of that. Here we'll apply the same thing. You go to data, come to text, column. Remember your delimiter, your delimited has to be T. Here, our criteria here is space. Is space. And you say next. Mind you, be conscious of this destination and your general. Your general has to be T. Then here I want to start from what? From my D. I change it to D. Then I say finish. Now I have everything here splitted. Now the reason why here have its own column is because when you come here, you see that space. You see that this video helps us. I hope you've learned from this video. Now you can use this to split your data to any desired form you want. To any desired form you want. You don't need to be typing. Just use this method and boom, you are there. So thank you for coming around. See you in our next video.